Transcripts of YouTube videos with artificial intelligence. Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the artificial intelligence AI capabilities of Google Bard and Microsoft Bing Chat to generate transcripts, text transcripts of YouTube videos. First, go to the YouTube video, and underneath the video, look for the title. In the row right underneath the title and above the description box are a row of buttons. On the far right is a round gray button with 3 dots, ... Click this button and then click Show Transcript. When you click that, a transcript window opens up. This transcript window has the transcript with timestamps. It says here it's English auto-generated. To get rid of the timestamps, go to the upper right corner of the transcript box. Click the 3 dot buttons, ... and it says toggle timestamps. Click toggle timestamps, and that removes all the timestamps. Then select and then copy the text, and then you can insert it into a text file or a Word document. Now the problem with this auto-generated transcript is that there are no punctuations and the formatting is not ideal. So for example, some of the lines only have two words. So no punctuation and formatting is a problem. So what I want is, for as much as possible, I want the words, but I want the words put into sentences with punctuation, and I like it to be formatted into paragraphs. So I experimented with Google Bard and with Microsoft Bing Chat, and I found the prompts that give me the best results. And let me show you. First, let's go to Google Bard. Bard is Google's artificial intelligence, and it is found at bard.google.com. So at the bottom of the Google Bard webpage is a prompt box. This is where you put your prompt, which is your request for the artificial intelligence to perform an action. So the first thing I do is I provide context. My first prompt is, I typed in, my prompt was duties of court reporter, and then Google Bard generated the duties and job description of court reporters. So now Google Bard knows that I am interested in the duties of a court reporter. This sets it up so that then I can ask it to act as if it is a court reporter. So in my second prompt, I write, act as if you are a court reporter and prepare a transcript from the following text. And then I put in the text from the YouTube video. I put in the prompt, I copied the text of the transcript from the YouTube video, and then I put that into the prompt box. Now, one thing that I've noticed with the Google Bard compared to Bing Chat is you can put a lot more characters into the prompt box. So I was able to fit the whole transcript into the prompt box. But if you cannot fit the whole one, you have to split it up into two prompts. Now, for me, I've tried this several different times, and I found that sometimes it will use it will introduce external sources, especially from Wikipedia. I found that if I put here, do not use Wikipedia, I get better results with the Google Bard. So how you ask the question affects the results when you're using artificial intelligence. So my full prompt says this: do not use Wikipedia, act as if you were a court reporter, and prepare a transcript from the following text. Then I inserted the text. I pressed enter, and this was the result that it gave me in the white box. Transcript of video. And I have been very pleased with Google Bard's results. It formats it very nicely. It has a nice flow. It does a good job of balancing grammar and punctuation while maintaining the words, because I don't want words deleted or changed too much. Also notice that on Google Bard, you can view it has other drafts, but I've been pretty happy with its primary draft. So that's Google Bard, and I've been pretty happy with the results. Now let me show you Microsoft Bing. So with Microsoft Bing, similarly, I put in the prompt duties of a court reporter, and this is found at bing.com. Then you click chat. I selected precise conversational styles. So you have 3 conversational styles. You have creative, balanced, and precise. So for this task, I select precise. The first thing I do is ask for duties of a court reporter. It gives me the duties of a court reporter. Then, similarly, I put in the prompt, act as if you are a court reporter, and prepare a transcript from the following text. I find that the Microsoft Bing chat in the precise mode doesn't freestyle. It stays on task pretty well. So again, the prompt is act as if you are a court reporter and prepare a transcript from the following text. And then I put in the text. Now and then it generated me the transcript. So I like that it kept it was faithful to the words. It didn't change the words, and it kept the words that I wanted, and it removed unnecessary words, and it got rid of just fillers and then cleaned things up. It does put here speaker : several times before paragraphs. I don't mind that too much. Now with the Microsoft Bing chat, it could not take the complete transcript from YouTube, so I split it into 2 sessions. So then let me show you how I extract it. So this is the answer here. This is the response. And then I can copy and paste into a Word document. And if I want to remove speaker : so let me show you here. This is copy. And I'm putting this into a open office document. If I want to get rid of the speaker : I just go into, I hit Control F, because then I can find and replace. and then I'm going to put, it's the beginning of a paragraph, so I'm going to just put 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to put here replace all. So it removed speaker colon 13 times at the beginning of each paragraph and replaced it with 5 spaces. So now it's formatted into paragraphs. So that's the complete workflow there. Now this process will also work with transcriptions from Microsoft Word document. So the Microsoft Word allows you to transcribe recorded audio files. And the issue that I have is similar to the YouTube transcripts. It will transcribe the words at a pretty good accuracy. However, there's no punctuation and there's formatting issues. So instead of manually making sentences and paragraphs, I will copy the raw text into Google Bard or Microsoft Bing and ask it to act as if it's a court reporter and generate a transcription. Now the court reporter's job is to stay true to the words as much as possible. So I thought that was the best job description, and I have been getting good results. And it's been saving me time.